Good morning, students of class 6. Welcome to my moral science class. I will teach you moral science. I am so much Apravriti. Okay. First, we have to learn why do we study moral science. We study moral science to ensure that individuals from a tender age, when their behavior is shapeable and behavior can be streamlined or empowered through value and ideals that are appropriate and that makes them worthy members of society. Secondly, it helps individuals to discern good from bad. Simply, moral science teaches what is good, what is not good, what is right, and what is wrong. Yes, as values are the pillars of the society and civilization, every society lives by the values it believes are good for its people. Moral science also teach us to learn good behavior from the childhood. Okay. So, before starting the chapters, we have to discuss about our syllabus for the moral science for the half yearly examination. We have to study self-confidence from chapter 3, chapter 4, being tolerant, chapter 7, importance of sports and sportsmanship, chapter 8, importance of teamwork and cooperation. The name of your book is Life with Values. I think all of you have got the book. So open page 15, chapter 3, self-confidence. One important key to success is self-confidence. Yes. One important key to success is self-confidence, and important key to self-confidence is preparation. Yes. If anybody asks you any question, you have to answer in positive manner. Yes, I can do. What does the quote given at the beginning by author of this chapter mean? Have to be confident enough. When anybody asks any question, you have to answer in a straight way. Yes, I can do. Yes. The story of Hrithik Roshan. Did you know the film star Hrithik Roshan? Yes, he was very shy when he was young. He had a speaking disability and and he stammered while speaking. Because of this, he did not have the confidence of speaking in front of others. After he became a star, he said in his interviews that as a child he had a difficult time at school, as the children laughed at him and some teased him too. He used to come back home crying. His father was an actor, so Hrithik also wanted to be an actor. He was determined to overcome his stammering problem to become an actor. He joined speech therapy classes to overcome this handicap. With his willpower and determination, he finally managed to get rid of stammering. With his willpower and determination, he managed this problem. He used to repeat words and letters in different ways to improve his pronunciation. He used to repeat words and letters in different ways to improve his pronunciation. This boosted his self-confidence. For hours, he would stand in front of the mirror to improve his speaking skill. To improve his speaking skill, he would stand in front of the mirror for hours. Overcoming such a disorder was a very big victory. Overcoming such a disorder was a very big victory which helped in getting him his confidence back. He still practices speech therapy every day to prevent this disorder from showing up again. How do confident people behave? Self confidence is essential for our success and well being. People who are confident are more relaxed and attempt to solve problems. Such people feel that they have the ability and skill to do a given task. They are cheerful, full of hope, bright, and always expect the best to happen. Many times people are confident because they are prepared themselves for the task ahead. For example, if you have prepared well for the next day's exam, you will not be nervous during or before the test. Yes, it is. Is it correct? Yes. 7 tips to become more confident. What are the 7 steps? First one, dress up well, kill our negative thoughts, remain tidy, be prepared, become good in what you do, change a few habits, smile and remain cheerful. These are the 7 tips to become more confident. Next day I will discuss these 7 tips. Thank you for today.